Hello everyone, in today's video we will fix the Google Pixel phone fingerprint not working. So the step 1 is to clean the sensor and the screen. Dirt, oil or smudge on the screen can interfere. Wipe the sensor and screen with a soft dry microfiber cloth. The step 2 is to you can simple check for software related issues. Firstly, you can restart your phone. A simple reboot can resolve many temporary glitches problem. So to restart, you can simple press and hold the power button. Then after the power window will appear, here you can simple tap on restart to restart your device. The next step is to check for software update. Bugs in outdated software can affect in fingerprint sensors. So update the latest Android version. To update, open the settings. Then after, open the system setting. In system setting, scroll down and then click on software update. Again tap on system update to check for new version. Right now you will see my software is up to date. If not, here you will see a install button to install the latest version. Okay, the next step is to boot into a safe mode. So third party apps may interfere with the sensors. So boot your device into a safe mode to check. So firstly, you can simple long press the power button. Then after the power window will appear, here long press on restart and then you have an option to reboot to safe mode. Then after press OK and now it will restarting your device. And then after the boot mode will be, you are turns into a safe boot where you can use your device and then you can check that still you are facing same kind of issue or not. If you are facing, it means the issue is from any other software issue or hardware. If not, it means the issue is from harmful applications that you installed early. So where you can simple go back by simple restart your device and now uninstall the recent installed application. The next step is to you can simple delete and re-enroll fingerprint. So re-register fingerprint can improve accuracy. To do, open the settings, then go to security and privacy, scroll down, click on device lock, again tap on face and fingerprint lock. Now unlock and now here you will see a fingerprint unlock. Tap on it to delete your fingerprints. After that, tap on add button to add your fingerprint. Okay, so these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.